Unlock the power of personalized trading with your own custom indicator on Tradingview. First, we need to access the Pine Editor on your Tradingview chart. Look for the Pine Editor tab, usually found at the bottom of your screen, and click it to open. This is where the magic happens when you open the Pine Editor. You'll likely see some sample code. Feel free to delete that if you're starting from scratch. Now, let's think about what you want your indicator to do. Imagine you want to create a signal that triggers when the price crosses a moving average. This involves defining the conditions for your signals. In Pine script, you'll first define the basic building blocks of your indicator. Like plotting a moving average, you'll specify its type, length, and appearance, such as its color and style. Next, you'll define the logic for your signals. This might involve comparing the current price to your moving average. You'll write commands that tell the script when the conditions for your signal are met. To make your signals visible, you'll instruct the script to plot something directly on the chart when your conditions are true. This could be a shape, an arrow, or even text. Once your code is ready, you'll add your indicator to the chart. You'll typically find an Add to Chart button within the Pine Editor. Click this, and your custom indicator will appear. You can then adjust the settings of your indicator directly on the chart, fine-tuning its parameters like length or color to perfectly suit your trading style. With your own custom indicator, you can develop unique trading strategies and gain a significant edge in the markets.